Medium voltage power cables. Medium voltage power cables are the main products for short distance, high capacity power transmission. Medium voltage power cables have shielding and sheathing, and non-magnetic armoring can be used under necessary conditions. As the demand for power transmission capacity increases, more and more people are using medium voltage power cables. Its advantage is that the insulation between phases is easy to guarantee, and a short circuit between phases is not easy to occur. XLPE insulated cables have superior electrical properties, heat resistance, chemical resistance, and a long service life.